All right, hello everybody. As we know, it's that time of year where everybody's going to start going on road trips, long rides, but it's also that time of year where we get a lot of rain, which is, we've got a lot of rain here lately. So I'm going to do a how-to video on how you can fold your rain suit up to keep it from getting all wrinkled, keep the seams in good shape so they don't crack and split. Also keeps it packable and ready in a small space in your bike, so in case you get caught in the rain, you're ready to go. So first of all, you always want to start with your rain suit unzipped, because if you don't, you pull it out from your bike when you get caught in the rain, you try to unzip it while you're getting soaked while you're trying to get it all unzipped. So this way it's ready to go and throw on as soon as you get it out. You want to start with folding your jacket or opening your jacket all the way up. Then you want to take your pants, lay them in the middle of your jacket. Now you're going to fold your arms in so that they're even with the sides of the jacket. Just like that. Now you're going to want to fold it one more time like this. Keeps it all nice and neat, no wrinkles. Keeps your seams from getting all crazy. You also want to undo the Velcro on your pants too, or the zippers, before you pack it. Then you just want to roll it all up to a perfect little roll, and then throw it in your rain gear bag. And there you go. Nice and packed in your bag, taking up as little space as possible, but ready to go in case you get stuck in the rain when you're on your ride. Keeps you riding, keeps you dry. All the Harley-Davidson's rain suits are double seam taped, warranted for a year. So you can't go wrong having one of these in your bike. I've even had a superstition of bikers tell me once you buy a rain suit, you never get caught in the rain. So if that's all it takes, hey, why not? Thanks, guys.